Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add or remove watermark in Microsoft Word files in Windows and Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. I have one Word file here on my desktop home screen, so let me open it. So you can see it has some words or text inside this Microsoft Word file. So in order to add a watermark on this Microsoft Word files, what you need to do is just click on this page layout. And now you will see your watermark option. Just click on it. Now you will see some pre-included watermark. So you can use it depending upon your needs, or if you want to use your own custom watermark, you can use this custom watermark. So let me add one watermark. So now you can see your respective watermark is being added. And if you want to save this Microsoft Word file with the watermark, then you can just click on this save option in order to save it with the watermark. And if you want to remove it, then once again click on this watermark option and click on this remove watermark. Then the watermark will get removed, as you can see here. And if you're using a newer version of Microsoft Word, then the option might be a little different. So you need to click on this design. And now you'll see your watermark option. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add or remove watermark in Microsoft Word files in Windows and Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.